Here's a small parcel of Nobby Opal material from Lightning Ridge, New South Wales, Australia. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. Some nice bright pieces. There's some clay on some of the pieces. If we just kept tumbling it, the opal would wear away before you get all the clay off, so you tend to stop at a point. And this is where we've stopped, and you can see the result. Some pieces have just little tiny knobbies in it. It's a nice little specimen, show you how it's formed. Basically black potch, could use that for backing. Whether there's any colour, a little bit of colour showing here, or signs of it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.